Emma, a 10-year-old girl with curly brown hair and bright green eyes, is feeling sad and lonely after the recent passing of her grandmother. She sits quietly by the window, her sketchbook on her lap, gazing out at the rain as it softly taps against the glass. Her bracelet, a gift from her grandmother, catches the light, reminding her of happier times. Her mother gently encourages her to take a walk in the nearby forest, saying that nature might lift her spirits. Reluctantly, Emma puts on her favorite boot and heads outside. As she steps into the forest, the rain stops, and warm sunlight filters through the tall trees, casting a golden glow on everything around her. The forest feels alive with the sounds of birds chirping, leaves rustling, distant trickle of a stream. Emma's mood begins to lift as she takes in the beauty around her. She soon finds a magical clearing, where wildflowers of every color bloom, butterflies in the air, and a crystal-clear stream runs nearby. Sitting on a large rock by the stream, Emma watches in awe as a glowing butterfly lands gently on her hand. For the first time in days, she smiles. She watches the butterfly flutter away and notices how her bracelet sparkles in the sunlight. As she continues walking, Emma discovers even more wonders, a family of deer grazing peacefully, birds flying overhead, and a playful squirrel darting up a tree. Each sight fills her with a sense of joy and wonder. The sadness in her heart slowly begins to fade, replaced by a warm feeling of comfort and peace. Emma pauses by the stream once again, picking a small wildflower and tucking it into her bracelet. She whispers a soft "thank you" to the forest, feeling her grandmother's presence in the beauty of nature. With a peaceful smile, Emma begins to make her way back home, feeling lighter and happier. By the time Emma returns home, the sky is clear, and the sun is setting, casting a soft golden glow over everything. That evening, as she sits by her window, writing in her sketchbook, a glowing butterfly flutters past, a reminder of the magic she found in the forest and the healing power of nature. Smiling to herself, Emma knows she will always carry that peace with her.